Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This video is a guide towards buying the best treadmills for home use, based on their motor, deck or belt, sturdy frame, and emergency stop button, easy to use buttons, display screen, and price. Let's take a closer look at each of these 5 best treadmills. This is Sunny Health and Fitness Heavy Duty Walking Treadmill. Turn up your fitness with this heavy-duty walking treadmill, and it provides a solid and stable platform for all fitness levels. It has a high weight capacity of up to 350 pounds with an ample walking surface of 19.5 inches wide. The convenient quick button feature allows for quickly getting to the desired workout speed. This walking treadmill maxes out at 6 miles per hour, or can be used for light jogging. Tracking your progress on this treadmill is simple with its digital monitor screen that will showcase the distance and time to keep you focused on achieving any type of personal fitness goals. Its convenient scan mode displays your progress to assist you in tracking all your fitness goals. It is easy to move around when required by simply tilting and rolling out for use or away for storage, no need for heavy lifting or muscle strain. The soft drop hydraulic mechanism on the Sunny treadmills is a great feature that allows the deck to gently lower itself to the floor. Less impact force on your legs and joints. Treadmill cushioning allows you to work out longer with less fatigue versus running outside on hard asphalt. This is a great quiet and heavy-duty treadmill, not like it will fall apart. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is ZELUS folding treadmill for home gym. Ultra-sturdy and durable steel frame provide 242 pounds capacity for complete security while running, and lifelong uncompromised quality through intense everyday use. Its quiet 1,100 watts motor and 39.4 by 15.7 inches running surface provide ample running space and shock absorption. It is equipped with strict overloading or overcurrent protection, and a safety shutdown key connection. The free anti-skid floor mat provides extra stability. Speed control and emergency stop buttons on the protective handrails allow for convenient adjustments throughout your workout. The multifunction console displays your speed, distance, time, and calorie count. Its quick start buttons get you going faster while enjoying your favorite entertainment through the phone or tablet holder, and power buttons are located on the handle for convenience. It comes with 12 exercise programs, and 3 incline positions to burn extra calories, and an adjustable speed between 0.5 and 7.5 miles per hour to cater to different workout needs like weight loss, cardio, and even crab walk, or side shuffles. The durable wheels and a foldable body are easy to assemble, and this cardio machine is designed for convenient storage in your closet or tucked away in the corner. The soft drop system allows nearly effortless folding action. It is an affordable, durable, and heavy home treadmill. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Sunny Health and Fitness Smart Treadmill. Never break your stride with this smart treadmill with auto incline by staying connected with Bluetooth and MP3 technology right at your fingertips. With auto incline, it is packed with state-of-the-art technology that will keep you engaged and connected. Tracking your progress is simple with the large backlit LCD digital monitor screen that displays your 12 workout programs including time, speed, distance, calories burned, and pulse, and keep you motivated and on pace with all these results. With a convenient scan mode, you can choose to have these features continuously repeated to keep up with all calculations. Be entertained while working out with integrated speakers and microphones. Bluetooth and MP3 connectivity allows users to answer calls and listen to music. Sync your smartphone with the integrated Bluetooth and play your favorite workout music through the onboard crystal clear stereo speakers. Music functions at your fingertips such as play, pause, stop, volume control, song forward and reverse. With handrail pulse sensors and quick buttons monitor and maintain your target heart rate. The more steady and prolonged the elevated heart rate is during the workout, the more fat is burned. Also, auto incline quick buttons are located at convenient place for instant access to 12 incline levels. It is foldable with portable wheels to store it away out of sight or simply keep it upright for more room. The soft drop hydraulic system allows the user to unfold the unit safely and hands-free. It is an affordable treadmill with a motorized incline and has a sturdy construction for a walking treadmill. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Bowflex Smart Treadmill. This treadmill has the personalized coaching technology that integrates with this treadmill to create daily, custom workouts, and provide in-workout coaching and personalized feedback that encourages and drives users through their workout. The integrated calorie-focused burn rate console displays your calories burned per minute, pushing you to go further and faster in less time. Its 9 inches full-color, backlit LCD screen with 11 simplified push and go intuitive workout programs. Also, you can create and save workouts on the fly with real-time custom programming. It has great impact absorption, providing a softer and broader sweet spot for every step, and unparalleled support with extra spacious 22 by 60 inches running path, and motorized incline up to 15% to vary workout intensity. Easy to navigate, soft, and responsive gel buttons ensure that you have everything within reach. Your incline, speed, and programming are just a touch away. You can fold it when not in use to save some space, and its soft drop design delivers the promise of safety with a gas shock folding system that provides a gentle descent every time. With Bowflex Journey subscription, the virtual coaching every run is accompanied by in-workout coaching and fitness tips that keep you on track and help you reach long-term success. This is the best smart, durable treadmill with a virtual coach guiding you for every run. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is a ASUNA self-powered manual treadmill for high-performance cardio training. This performance trainer improves both cardiovascular and muscular fitness. Its soft drop hydraulic mechanism is a great feature that allows the deck to gently lower itself to the floor, and easy to fold for storage, and unfold your treadmill when it's time to work out. With 8-level adjustable resistance, you can switch up the intensity of your workout on this treadmill with the convenient tension lever. With a simple adjustment, you can increase or decrease resistance, so your workout can remain challenging and effective throughout your fitness journey. Its dual flywheel design smoothly pushes the treadmill belt while you exercise safely and comfortably. Each flywheel works to rotate the belt smoothly and quietly while the user runs or jogs, and you can adjust the tension of the flywheels for a challenging workout tough enough to withstand harder routines. The soft grip, the rubber-coated handlebar is specially designed for multiple hand positions for running or walking. The positions support over 8 different hand grips, giving you a versatile and challenging workout. Also, the convenient tablet holder is designed to hold mobile devices or tablets so you can follow your favorite fitness videos. And with this self-powered manual treadmill, you can crank up the resistance and perform 3 to 5 sets of 25 reps of mountain climbers, or backward jogging by engaging your hamstrings and glutes as you jog at a steady pace. Increase the resistance up to 8 levels, and feel the power of the dual flywheels weighing in at 33 pounds combined. You can also do side squat to engage a full body workout, and perform 3 sets of 20 and work that booty. With a hand walker workout, pull the tread toward you, and feel your obliques work like never before. Just 1 minute will have you sweating. ASUNA is more than a treadmill with all its high-performance cardio options. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is the end of the video. Please like and share if you find this video useful, and press the subscribe button for more videos. Thank you for watching.